you my fidget toys and how do they work. So this rainbow ball, this is called a rainbow ball, and you just use it for the sides, like put this ball in on this side. You just press it on sides. On the side it doesn't have the ball, you press it on the side. So next is fidget spinner. So this fidget spinner is just like spinning, and look how fast it is. It's like it's now a circle. So let's move to the next one. So these are cubes. These are cubes.
Bean cubes.
So I gotta find out a way to do that sometimes. Oh, here. So here, these tubes are like you scratch them. You can even spin them, and you can even like this, and you can make a circle. Do this, and you can make a circle, and do this. You can join these like this, and with these things, they are so fun. You can even make them back to small size. You scratch them and then make it small. Here, 1, 2. I just got to do it. Oh, it's fine actually. Let's move to the next one. It's called pop bean. So this pop bean is like 1, 2. That's like no, this, not this, and yeah. And it's funny. And now let's go to this one. It's called pop bean. Yay! So let's open this. Wait. It's popit. It's not pop bean. So open this, and this is the side. It's soft. You can just. It can not. Wait. What? This side was just. This side was. Oh, this side was like small side and the big side. So let's open this one. This name is Simple Dimple, and yeah. So this Simple Dimple is just a little hard, kind of hard, just like the puppet. So this Simple Dimple has just 3 sides. It's kind of small. So this is how the Simple Dimple is small, and this is how big the puppet is. And here, you just move this thing. It goes to spin. You move this thingy, like the fat thing. You just do this and it spins. Now, wait. I don't know what this name is, but I'm just gonna tell you how it works. So, wait. Hand cube, okay?
Hand cube.
It says hand cube over here. And oh, this hand cube is like you use your hands, not your brain for it. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and wait. You can spin this around. You can move this ball, and you can just spin these things. You can press these things. Wait, I heard this noise. Okay, so. Is there anything else? Oh, nothing is over here. So let's move to the third. Wait. Oh, okay. This thing is like when you press it in like this, it gives you it makes you feel better. And wait, spiky rings. These are called spiky rings, and so these if you put it on your hand, then it makes you feel good, and it's like so nice. And the third one, like if you wait, oh yes, if you work too hard, like your hands are tired, then you can put these on, and these will make your fingers better. Wait, if there are any last ones, okay, no, there's no any last one. So this is the last one. And also the last one. Okay, wait, crazy cube. Okay, this is called crazy cube. Wait. Infant cube. Oh. So, okay, good job. You did it. So you just use it like this, and it can go anywhere. It's like infinite. One. See, it's just infinite. And this, and this, and then and this, and this. Okay, did not something else. So wait. Oh, 1, 2, and then this, and then done. So I'm done, and bye guys.